Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. In this session we are going to detect fire with the help of YOLO custom object detection model. So the project name is basically YOLO fire detection real time alerts for emergencies. So before we move to our practical friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much and let's get started. So friends, as I mentioned, today we will create our own custom object detection model using the custom dataset, and we will detect the fire. So the project folder available on my shop, it is only for $1, and for India it is only for 87 rupees. So just purchase the project folder. If you want this project, just purchase it. Now when you download the project folder, you will get this kind of zip format folder. As you can see, this is the folder YOLO fire detection zip. Right click it and then click on extract all. Click on extract. It will extract our project folder as the folder. As you can see, YOLO fire detection. Go inside and again the same folder, and inside that I have mentioned the model which I have created. This model which I have created, I have used here RoboFlow custom dataset. So open the main.py. It will open the Sony Python IDE. I have used here Sony Python IDE. You have to simply download Sony Python IDE, or you can use any Python IDE. So right now I am on Sony Python IDE. It is available on Google Chrome. You have to simply search for Sony Python IDE, download the setup.exe file and install it. So now the packages, go to the tools, manage packages. We will search for OpenCV-Python. Python, first package. Click on install button, then it will install OpenCV-Python. Then we need Ultralytics package, so search for Ultralytics, hit enter, first package. Click on install button. If there is upgrade button, just click on upgrade. So right now there is an upgrade button, so let me upgrade the Ultralytics package. So we upgraded Ultralytics package. Now we need CVZone package, so search for CVZone, first package. Click on install button, done. It will install CVZone on our Windows machine. So we need OpenCV-Python, Ultralytics and CVZone package for this project. So then the model name which I have mentioned inside the project folder, best.pt, and this is what the video file name, which is the fire1.mp4. this is the video file. Okay, so let me open the video file first, then you will get the idea. As you can see, this is basically the petrol pump, and watch this motorcycle. As you can see, there is a fire. So our goal is to detect the fire. Okay, so now we install our packages. Our model is ready. I have mentioned the model which I have already created. So the model is inside the project folder and video file is also inside the project folder. Now let's just run the code. We install all the packages, and as you can see friends, there is error. So this is the error for NumPy. So we need a particular NumPy package. If we upgrade the Ultralytics, there is a NumPy error. So we need this is what Sony Python IDE. So on Sony Python IDE, we need a particular NumPy version. So let me show you which version we need. So friends, this is the version which we need, NumPy 1.24.4. This is the version which we need. So just mention the command like this way, copy it and open tools, open system shell. I have opened the system shell from Sony Python IDE like this way. Go to the tools, open system shell and run the command, or let's just paste it. Pip install NumPy 1.24.4. this is the command, hit enter. So we need particularly this version for Ultralytics. Simple. So let's wait to install the NumPy version. So we successfully installed NumPy version. If I run again same command, it will say the requirement is requirement is already satisfied. No worry about the command. I will mention the same text file inside project folder. You have to copy and paste the command from Sony Python IDE tools, open system shell, and just paste the command like this way from the text file, from this text file. I will mention this text file inside project folder, so no worry about it. So now we can run our code. Now there will be no error. So as you can see, now there is no error, but right now there is no fire, so there is no object detection. When we will detect the fire, we will have the object detection because we have our own model. Watch, as you can see, it's detecting the fire. There is a detection, as you can see, fire. Simple. We are detecting the fire. Simple. So I have used here a RoboFlow dataset. This is the result. Now if you open the project folder again, so this is what our project folder, YOLO fire detection. So inside that I have mentioned dataset.txt file, and inside that dataset txt file I have mentioned which dataset I have used. So this is the dataset which I have used. If you open Chrome and if you paste the link, you will get that particular dataset like this way. This is the dataset. This is the dataset, 4332 images, but I have already mentioned the model. Okay, so no worry about the model. But if you want to create your own model, you can simply copy paste the link which I have mentioned inside the project folder, and the file name is basically dataset.txt. So inside that txt file I have mentioned the RoboFlow dataset which I have used for this project. Now simply I have also mentioned the Colab file. Okay, so how you can use this dataset directly. So now this is the dataset. Now we want to open our Google Colab. So I have opened the Google Colab. Just click on upload, click on browse, and then go to the download. This is the project folder. Inside that we have Colab file. So let's just wait for uploading the Colab file. So we uploaded Colab file. Go to the runtime, then change runtime type, select Python 3, select T4 GPU, click on save, then click on connect. We connected. Now we will run the cell one by one. So go first cell, then the second cell where we will install Ultralytics packages. So we successfully install Ultralytics. Now just scroll down, next cell, we will import all the packages. Now the next cell where we will cross check if Ultralytics is successfully installed. So we will use YOLO12s.pt model, and we will use the doc.jpeg image for detecting the object from RoboFlow. So we will use YOLO12s.pt model. This is the image, and we have one person, one car, one dog from this image. It means we successfully install Ultralytics. Now here friends, here we want to mention our RoboFlow dataset. From RoboFlow to YOLO12, so from RoboFlow to YOLO12, just select it and delete it, because here we want to mention our new project code, So just open the project which I have mentioned, the project link which I have mentioned inside dataset txt file. Here we want to go dataset, click on download dataset, and then select the third option which is the download dataset, click on continue. And here you have to select YOLO v12, select show download code, click on continue. It will show the download code which we just delete from the Colab. So this is the code, just copy it, copy from to YOLO12, copy it and mention over here, just Ctrl+V, paste it and run the code. It will now create dataset folder, and inside that dataset we will have the project folder. We will have this project folder along with the data.yml file. Done. Now if you click on this small folder icon, there is a dataset folder. Inside that we have our project folder, and inside that we have data.yml. So it will open data.yml like this way. This is the class which we want, fire. Now train val test, here we want to mention our folder path. The path means the true path. So test, so basically first one is train. So train, just move to the train, highlighted, 3 dot, copy path, remove the old path, Control plus V. Then val means valid, highlighted, 3 dot, copy path, remove the old path from data.yml file, paste the new path, Control plus V. Simple. Test, so test, 3 dot, copy path, remove the old path, and then Control plus V, paste it. Now we done with changes. Now press Control plus S, save the data.yml file. Now we have done here. Now we want to start the training. So data is equal to our data.yml file path. So data.yml file path, again highlighted, 3 dot, copy path, remove the old path, data is equal to remove the old path, Control plus V, mention the new path. Now let's just run the cell, and at the end you have your own custom model. Okay. So friends, as you can see, training is started. So when the training is completed, your model will save inside here, runs. Then inside that we have detect, then we have train folder, then we have weights, and inside that weights you will get your base.pt model. Okay, but right now there is no model because we are still in training process. So when the training process completed, your model will basically save inside. Again, let me show you here, runs folder, detect folder, train folder, weights folder, and inside that you will get base.pt model. So this is how you can use the file, the RoboFlow dataset file which I have mentioned. You can create your own model also, but I have already created the model which I have mentioned inside this project folder, inside the project folder. Simple, YOLO fire detection. As you can see, base.pt. Simple. So this is how friends, with the help of YOLO, you can create the fire alert. I hope you will learn something from this video. We will meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.